Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, me know. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla. Alright everyone, you don't know who this already. At the Skilla, you see it. Alright, watch this now, see me? Hennessy. Hennessy. People talk about Hennessy all the while in a party and dance. You see me? Well, let's see, in a party, you can call it a party because it's a crowd of people. This man take boots in and turn one seal back like Hennessy in head. You see what I say? Take a look for yourself if you don't believe me. Observe. Bun up clot. Yo, you make sure you take yourself right away because me know say that no normal. One scene back like Hennessy, me know say that no normal. Alcohol and drugs, you know man. Because remember say the man that bun a split before he start drink that back like Hennessy there, you know man. That no normal. You see what I say? Yeah man. A whole heap of time I see people try them sitting here. Me remember one long time ago, me about a year or 2 years ago, one man drink the same Hennessy. And when it lick him, I say lick him for 6. He sweat like a hog. You get what I say to you? And a easy something that them a do virgin. That a normal something. How you turn back like Hennessy your head and swallow it? Let me tell you this man. Your liver will chip. Me not say strip, you know. Chip, like pieces of it. Yeah, you see what I say? And you find yourself that you pass out blood. You see what I say? That not good for your brethren. You ever hear about the thing named alcohol poisoning? Man. No man not immune to that, man. If a man ever know what make alcohol, you see? Trust me. I tell you, yo. The man make sure you take care of himself immediately. Me know. So you must feel that bun up clot little more from this. Alright, now watch now. You see what I said. Anyways. May I tell you now, please, don't try this at home. Before me even finish what me have to say, so try it. No time, not try it. Don't attempt to do it. This, don't do it. Me not encourage no man to try that. You understand? Alright? Alright. Remember me warn you, don't try it. Anyways, if you're new to the thing, if you're new to my channel, and you don't know you want to see more what go on, you have to click the subscribe button. You know the thing go already. You just to stay up to date now what go on in Jamaica and the world. So me I say, if you need to contact me, read the description down below. Yeah, so me I say. Alright, anyways, my name is Skilla, and that way just see. Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, me know. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.